Are you looking for the best way for you to gain subscribers on YouTube? This video is actually for you. In today's video, I'm going to deliberate on the 2 proven strategy I use to grow my YouTube channel from scratch. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Without further ado, I'm going to dive into my system and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process I used in order for me to gain thousands of subscribers. Here in my desktop, and this is YouTube, I'm going to show you everything step by step in order for you to get this done for yourself. So the first thing you need to do is for you to identify your niche. Before you can actually grow your YouTube to a specific numbers of followers or subscribers, you need to identify your niche, because when you identify your niche, you are going to know the kind of audience you are going to bring into your channel. So for me, I'm going to do entertainment channel, so I'm going to just go in and choose a random videos. When you have the niche you want to be posting video on, you can go ahead and follow the process of posting remix reels on your channel. So you come to your search box and search on your niche. To me, I'm into entertainment niche, so I'm going to just go ahead and look for viral videos on my niche, viral short. I'll head over to my search button and then I'll search on my niche. So I'm going to search on memes. So when I search on memes, I'm going to come up with a bunch of reels. So these are remix reels, and you can see. Actually, these videos are those kind of reels that can actually make you thousands to millions of views. As you can see, this person that posts these reels already get 2.1 million views. So this is actually a good reels for you to use in order for you to grow your subscribers. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go ahead. The next thing for you to do is for you to go ahead and remix these reels to your channel. So I'm going to show you a sample of this in my channel, and I'm going to bring out the one of the channel I make over 2,000 subscribers on using the same strategy, and we are going to go through some of my videos and you can see it. So we'll go ahead and type in my channel, Capable King. So this is one of the channel I use this same strategy to build, and you can see I posted 395 videos and I was able to make 2.2k views, 2.2k subscribers. I was able to make 2.2k subscribers. So if you scroll down, you see the kind of reels I really make, like this. This is what I do here. I basically remix people's videos, and with this I was able to make over 700,000 views from my short, and as you can see, I'm making some reasonable amount of views. And if you can view my channel and check my shorts and view on popular, you will know that with the past few days I was able to make 15,000 views, 13,000 views, and a couple of views like that really boost my channel and push me to reach 2,000 subscribers. So the second way for you to also get more subscribers on your videos is for you to know the same niche you still want to go in. So in my other channel, currently this channel you are watching right now, I use another same strategy combined with the same strategy for me to build my subscribers to about 800 subscribers. So let's head over and I'll show you how I do this. So in order for me to do this, I use a simple tool called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy has a free version and it also has a paid version, but for me I'm using a paid version, and I will also recommend you use a paid version. If you want to join TubeBuddy, I leave a link in the description of this video. You can join TubeBuddy with my link. You get a discount on your first purchase. So with TubeBuddy, I will be able to get a viral topic that I'm going to treat on my channel that will really give me high engagement. So if you are looking for a reasonable way for you to get high engaging views and also get high engaging followers to react on your content, follow your content, and like your videos, you need to have a video idea that you really want to make video on. If you don't have this video idea that you want to make video on, you are going to end up doing something clashy, something that is not going to rank on the search engine in order for you to get views. So in this one, I'm going to show you something differently. This is what most big YouTubers do and gain millions and thousands of views, and I'm going to show you this. First of all, you head over to your TubeBuddy and you come to Keyword Explorer. Now when you come to your Keyword Explorer, the second thing you need to do is for you to actually look at the topic you want to make. For me, I want to make a video on the topic make money online. So I'll just come here and type in make money online. So when I type in the keyword make money online, this TubeBuddy is going to scan this keyword and give me 1.3 billion searches. So this is a massive way for me. This is a massive topic for me to treat on. So, but my ranking is poor. I have 10 over 100. So I need to rate my ranking up to 80 or something around 90, probably 100. So let me go ahead and optimize my videos in order for me to make sure say I get good ranking from the SEO. So I will come here and type something like how I make money online today. So let me see to that. Yes, this is giving me 4.6. It's not actually good. So I keep adding something. How I make money today with no idea. With no idea. That is bad. I need to go and change something. You are just going to play around with something that you are going to make that is going to give you at least 70 to 60%. So I will remove how and take and put something like three effective ways I use to make money online. Today. Oh no, use to search that. It's giving me 25. No, I take these three out. Effective ways I use to make money online. Let me see. It's 22. Well, you still have a large volume, so I will still tweak something. I will remove this effective way. Approaches. I use to make money online. Let's check it out. I have 21. No, don't like that. Approaches to make money online. Okay, I'll just type make money online today with this step. Confirm. I have over 100 over 100 excellence. So you can imagine the kind of ranking I'm going to rank on the SEO. So I have total of 954 million stages, monthly stages. So come to think about this, if you click on results, you are going to see people on the same topic posting videos on it. No one is actually posting video on that topic. So this topic is easy to search and there is no high demand, there is no high supply of videos in this same topic, but it's still on that niche make money online. So you go ahead and copy this. when you copy it and you come to your video planner, video topic planner, and you add this as your topic, and then you save it. So what this happen is that this is going to give you a clue of what you are going to make, the kind of video you are going to make, and the kind of audience you are going to target. So you head over back to your TubeBuddy, and you still go back to your keyword explorer, and you input that same things, and then you explore it, and you look at the kind of thumbnail people do. And when you look at your thumbnail, the kind of thumbnail people do, you just come to your result and look at the kind of thumbnail they do on their videos. You see the kind of thumbnail they do. You can also go ahead and create something similar to this, or you probably do something stand out. But anything you do here is going to rank. You need to copy one of their thumbnails and do it on your own ways. If you can see on this same topic, make money online today with make money online today with these steps. If you should scroll down, you will see my videos here. Make money online today. Make money online today, step by step. This is actually my video, and as you can see, it's ranking in. You can view it and see everything.
If you are making $100 to $200 online, this video is not actually for you. But if you are not making any money online and you really want to know how to make money,
so that is my video. I use the same strategy to make it, and with the time, this is this channel I was building with this same strategy, and I get over 830 subscribers in due time. But mind you, this is not going to blow your channel well bigger than the one I showed you before. It depends on the kind of niche I am. So the niche I'm building this other channel on is auto niche. So this kind of niche, you have less amount of people coming to the channel because we have high demand on video supply. So if you are working on this kind of channel, you are going to have what we call long-term success on YouTube, because if you build to a point, your video are evergreen video, and you keep making money on them on the long term. So after following this same process, this is all you need to do using your TubeBuddy. So when you want to upload your videos, you come to upload and you optimize your video well for uploading. If you find this video helpful, like this video, comment on this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out in our new update. For that being said, I'll see you in my next video.